Alright guys, how's it going this morning? Today I'm going to do a little live trading session with you guys on the NASDAQ or the S&P 500. We'll see which one we want to take the trade on. I'll go over my buys for the day here. So, if you look on the 4 hour on the NASDAQ, we got these highs here made yesterday. And if we go down to the 1 hour, we got 1 hour lows right here. And then we also have 1 hour highs right here. These are London highs and then London lows. On London lows during pre-market, we SMT'd them. The S&P 500 went into this order block and got a strong reaction off of it. Also this 1 hour for a value gap. So overall today, I want to be targeting London highs and then also those highs I made yesterday. And either look to take a long towards those highs or possibly a short on maybe like the 5-minute time frame off of those highs once we get more confluence. So yep, that's my buys for the day. Obviously it can change, but London highs and those London SMT, that's my main concern for the day. I'll keep you all updated. Alright, market just opened. As you can see on the 1 minute, NASDAQ came up and hit these highs during pre-market, getting a little bit of a retracement now into this 5-minute fair value gap, right off market rip. We'll see what this wants to do, see what price action holds. I'd like to see something like this right off the start. Just bounce into here, maintain bullish price action, come up, take these highs, and then we dump. That's something I would like to take a trade off, and then maybe we get an SMT with these highs here, or we get an SMT with these highs up here. One of the two, because S&P is lagging with bullish order flow at the moment. I'd like to see it play a little bit of catch up with NASDAQ coming up to these highs or to these highs from yesterday. Looks like we're maintaining this 5-minute fair value gap, so we're still bullish. We're still holding bullish structure. It's 8:30 candles, news didn't affect the market too much, so we're okay to trade today. In order for me to want to take shorts, I would want to see us either get a 5-minute inverse fair value gap within here, or a 5-minute break of structure, something on the 5-minute, just so I'm not too deep into price action on the 1 minute. That can tell you a bunch of different things. Versus 15-minute gap here, broke structure right here. So I'm overall bearish, but this SMT, I believe my thought for this SMT right here is it's put in place to go take out and seek out these highs, this liquidity, and I want to see an SMT, another SMT at one of these highs. Because on the 15-minute, this is pretty bullish price action. We did get some disrespect and we got some bearish moves out of it. We're yet to take any high resistance liquidity, like this high or even these highs up here. So I would want to see something like that. But we play what the market gives us. We are within this 15-minute fair value inverse fair value gap too. Alright, looks like we're going up higher past these highs here. I want to see something like this. And maybe come up. What would be nice is to see an SMT at those highs there in correlation with the S&P 500. I'm looking to make the change to futures and not just trade on a Forex broker anymore. Trade indices on a Forex broker. Want to try out futures, I'm going to be back testing and also demo trading with future account this next upcoming week. I just want to make the switch, get some top step accounts, make it happen from there. I just like how they do their monthly fees, and then also how it's like tailored around profitable day traders. Like there's no hidden challenges or anything like that. It's right there. You just need 5 days of $200 plus. It's light work. You also need to be profitable and consistent, so I'll make it happen. Alright, we just came up, fully swept these highs too. So we get internal manipulation along with this external on like the 15-minute, on this 15-minute high. We just inverted this 1 minute fair value gap as well. I like to see displacement and then also a close on the 5 minute, disrespecting this 5 minute fair value gap for me to want to target these high time frame lows, these London lows that we never took out on NASDAQ. Well, price is shooting the bed right now. Looking for these lows and then also these London lows to be targeted in this move. God, price is just very volatile right now. Not offering much. Not offering much. Yeah. If you know where the 15-minute and the 5-minute are going, look for entries on the 1 or 5 minute. Simple as that. We took out London lows on NAS. I would like to see the S&P come down and hit these lows, retap into this order block. But honestly, price might be too gone for me today. Might be safe to say that these look to be our target on the rest of the day. I think the best thing for me to do today to get off the charts. Like, I'll go over what price did in hindsight, of course, and what I see from price action right here. So yeah, on the NAS, what happens during pre-market? We get a little, little manipulation, taking all this sell side liquidity in here, come up, create some consolidation. People get orders filled within here, coming into market open. We get our manipulation leg. Comes up, takes out these highs. And then we get distribution all the way down to our draws and liquidity for the day. And that's really the story. That's what price wanted to do today. Alright, it's been a little bit. Prices have just been dumping, but we came down, swept out these lows on the S&P, swept out these lows on NAS, and then we created an SMT on these 1 hour lows. Now what am I looking for? I want to see price balance out this whole dump that we had this morning. I want to see us come up into equilibrium of this move. And then off of equilibrium, we'll go down to the lower time frame. We have 5 minute order with 5 minute fair value gaps within here. I would like to see a reaction off of these down. And then also to find an entry, we go down to the 1 minute, maybe look for some inverses, some breakout structures. I would like to target the lows, those 4 hour lows that never got hit on both the indices. So we'll wait for some confirmation. We'll wait for some more price action. Could call this a little sweep right here, little fair value gap, but I would need a little bit more. Get a little break of structure here too. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad of a trade. I think if we come back up into this 1 minute fair value gap and respect it if we respect bearish order flow here, I'll take a small trade here, maybe targeting the farthest these lows, but TP1 start of this 5 minute for value gap. It's gonna have to be. I'm gonna put smaller risk because it's a tighter stop. Stops above this 1 minute for value gap. TP1, the start of the 5 minute bullish for value gap. And then TP2 I'll put at the end. And TP3 these lows. But I want to see us come up into this 1 minute for value gap first. Just gotta come up into there for me to even think of taking that. But if we tap into this for value gap and then come back up, not gonna take it. Because then that shows that this bullish for value gap is holding. Maybe a miniature search and destroy. Create orders within here. Come back down. Stop them out at break even and just fly. Maybe we could see something like that. Yeah, I want to see my cat. Here, I'll go grab her. Look at her. Look at my cat. Sheba, say hi. Say hi, Sheebs. Yeah, my cat. Alright, we're getting a little bit of a reaction off this 5 minute for value gap. I don't know about this price action. We'll see how we get the close. Yeah, this SMT might be holding. Okay. Yeah. Best if we don't take it. That's what happens. That's why you want to wait. And also set up parameters, like if we came up into this 5 minute for value gap and then came back up. I'd want to see us come up here first before going to that fair value gap. I don't got enough confidence. I'm not taking this trade today. So, no FOMO, nothing. Just not going to take the trade. Even if it does pan out in my direction, not enough confidence. So, that's going to be a wrap to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed some, learned some, and I'll see y'all in the next one. That's bars. Alright, peace out.